How to fix TikTok comments not showing. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on what you can do if the comment section on TikTok is not showing up. Now, first make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Now, to do so, head over to your Play Store or App Store and search for TikTok, and if your app isn't updated, update it. Now, once you do so, go ahead and open the app and you should get an interface like this. If you go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon, and if you open up a video here, I'll just open one of mine. And here you can find the comment section right here. You can see that I can comment and everybody else can comment on it too. Now, if you are not getting this comment section, it's most probably a bug or a glitch. Now, first thing is scroll down your notification bar and tap on the settings icon. You can see one on the top right corner of my screen right here, and go to apps or apps management that you have on your device. And once in it, you can either scroll and search, or you can search in a rather accessible way by searching for TikTok. Now, if you are on iPhone, just upload your app, but if you are on Android, clear your data and clear your cache. Now, once you do this, relog in your ID and open TikTok. And if you can't still find the option, then you can always send a report to TikTok. Go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen, and then you can tap on 3-line icon that you can find on the top right of your screen. Then go ahead to settings and privacy and go all the way down below and go to report a problem. Now once here, scroll all the way down below and go to submit a report that you can find on the bottom of your screen. Now here you can type in your problems and you can send a screenshot of your comment section not appearing on your phone and then submit to TikTok, and they'll probably get back to you within 24 to 48 hours, and they must help you to fix your issue. Hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.